This is the Toon Train Cafe, a really quaint little cafe in an old railway carriage at the former Bideford train station. So as you can see here, we've got the original old seats, we've got lovely tables as well, got pictures up on the wall, we've even got some luggage up there as well, and we have the lovely Carol here, who runs the Toon Train Cafe. She does teas and coffees and pasties, and you can sit down, which I'm going to do right now, or you can have a takeaway. Well, Daisy, what times are you open?
I'm usually open every day, and I open at 10 till 3, weather permitting.
Okay.
If it's pouring down with rain, it might be closed. They have to check on my website, on the Facebook site.
On Facebook. Okay, lovely. Wonderful. Thank you. And this is Bideford train station, which now sits on both the Tarka Trail and the South West Coast Path.